Rapid Profix Pro review, demo, and $3,225 done for you bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Rapid Profix Pro review. Now this is a piece of software that will allow you to tap into a $300 billion industry, and this is selling courses. And by the way, you don't have to create any courses because 20 courses are included with this. So this is a platform that will allow you to sell these courses, give them away, and the members area is ready. So think about Udemy and how it looks like. So essentially you can become an owner of a Udemy like site, and you have 20 done for you courses already inside. And by the way, my bonus will include additional done for you courses which are my own W's of the Day awarded courses, and you're gonna get full PLR rights to it, and I'm going to give you done for you emails, a ton of done for you stuff, a total of $3,000 plus worth of bonuses, and this is real world value, not PLR courses, something that actually is currently selling right now, and you would have to spend $3,000 to get it. Now let me share my screen and let's jump into this Rapid Profix Pro review. This is super exciting. So first of all, I wanted to show you the alternatives, and Rapid Profix Pro has some competitors, but it blows it out of the water because the competitors are charging much more, and by the way, you're gonna have to pay monthly for their services. Okay, so the first one is Podia. You can look it up. I went to pricing, and as you can see, Podia costs $39 per month. For the mover and for the shaker, it's $79 per month. And as you can see, you can't even set up a membership site for $39 per month. If you want a membership site, just like you're getting with Rapid Profix Pro, you would have to pay $79 per month. This is absolutely crazy. And you know what's crazier? The crazier fact is that my own wife is actually paying for Podia right now, and I'm going to tell her to stop and start using Rapid Profix Pro today because it goes live on the 4th of October. Okay, so guys, this is absolutely crazy. Just check out the competitor's pricing. Another competitor is Teachable, and as you can see, even for the basic version they are charging $29 per month. For the professional, it's $79 per month, or business $400 per month. Even crazier. And then I have a third competitor for you, that's Thinkific, and as you can see, the basic version is $49 per month and up to $500 per month. Guys, Rapid Profix Pro is a one-time price, and you're getting all of the same features. Essentially, you will own a Udemy type site with courses included in it. Okay, so right now, let's jump into the sales page preview. I'm not going to go through this whole sales page, but I just wanted to touch on some key points. Okay, so as you can see, it says Rapid Profix Pro. Attention, it's time to get a piece of this $300 billion industry. Brand new software creates fully automated, done for you e-learning sites like Udemy, preloaded with courses, funnels, and content, and everything you need to profit from day one. So obviously, if you're going to sign up for Udemy, you won't be getting any courses. So you're going to have to create a course, and it can take weeks. You're getting 20 courses with Rapid Profix Pro, which, that alone is just blowing my mind, the amount of done for you stuff that you're getting. So it's 100% done for you. Obviously, you're going to just select a course that is ready to sell. You're going to enter your payment details, and then you're going to profit from day one in less than 60 seconds. It's all done for you, so you just have to really set this up once. Obviously, they got some testimonials. Jason and Mosh, these are the two guys behind the course, Jason Fulton and Mosh Barry. And obviously, you have all of these different platforms like Udemy, Udacity, Coursera, Skillshare. It's all basically the same idea. And as you can see, the alternatives that I just showed you are much more expensive, and you would have to pay per month for it. So again, Rapid Profix Pro, this is the name of the product. This is my Rapid Profix Pro review, some more testimonials, including one from myself right here, as you can see. Scrolling down, we don't have to go through all of this. The important fact is that you're going to get 2 launch week bonuses, and you're going to get a total of 3,000 plus bonuses from myself, and these guys will have a couple of price options. Okay, so as you can see, You get 1 course personal license, $22, and 20 plus done for you courses personal license, that's $22 as well. I'm not sure if this is right, but you know, essentially $22 is the price for this, the early bird price, okay? That's essentially it. You can go through all of this in your own time, but right now let me show you the inside of the members area and an example of a site, so how it looks like. Okay, so this is the dashboard. As you can see, you have the home, you have my sites. Obviously you can create multiple sites, you can access them all of them right here. You have the training and tutorials, so you have a demo of how it works. This is essentially super simple. It's all done for you, so it's all already set up. If you want to you know, edit it or add anything or subtract anything, it's totally up to you. Then you have the media. Obviously in the media you have different design templates, you know, you have different ebook covers, logos, etc. So you can access all of this right here. You have the posts, just like on a website. All of the posts you'll be able to access them here. Pages, the same exact thing. And then the products. So with the products, as you can see, you are getting all of these courses that are already done for you, and you can again give them away for free. You can sell them. As you can see, they have different prices right here: $89, $69, $59, and some of them are free. So again, totally up to you what you want to do with these. And then we have users, so obviously you're going to be one of the users, but if you want to add additional users, you can do that too. So this is the dashboard. Now I'm not going to do a full demo right now because, you know, I'm not going to be adding new courses, etc. I showed you the courses that are already inside, but I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. So if you're watching this on my blog, right below this video you should see the full demo, and on my YouTube channel the video that I'm going to upload right after this one is the demo video, so check it out. And right now let's check out an example site. Okay, so this is how basically this looks like. Obviously you can edit all of this, change all the images, change the text, move things around, but essentially this is what you're going to be getting. You know, we have the search bar right here. You can edit the logo, so people can browse through categories. They can browse through top courses, so you can have, you know, different courses. You can rate them, you can add different prices, you can give them away for free, as I told you. So, you know, in this site they have business, design, development, health and fitness, photography, and math, and obviously you can create any category that you want. Then you can browse all courses, and you have a little FAQ right here in the end. So essentially an amazing looking site, exactly like Udemy, exactly like Podia. You can host your courses. So if you have a course, or you can even use PLR courses if you want, you can host everything right here. And again, keep in mind, you're getting 20 done for you courses already included with this. So this is mind blowing. Now I showed you everything when it comes to the members area. Let's go through the pricing. So as you can see, OTO number one, it will be $197, and these are done for you money courses. So you are getting already the done for you courses inside, but if you would like the additional 20 rapid money courses done for you, that's $197. And as you can see, this will be totally done for you, set up for you, and all you have to do is just grab these and start selling them and make money super fast. So that's OTO number one, $197. OTO number two will be $77, and this is 100x conversion booster. So what you're getting here is custom domains, 20 different themes, media library, analytics, premium SEO optimization. You can add your Facebook pixel, you can add premium SEO optimization, you can add exit pop-ups, so you know, if you want to generate opt-ins, etc. You can add countdown timers, social proof. So this is essentially Rapid Profix Pro on steroids. It just makes this so much more powerful. That's OTO number two. OTO number three, we got super traffic machine for $97. So essentially, the more traffic you can send to your store, the better, the more sales you're gonna make, obviously. So if you are looking for traffic, if you don't know how to generate traffic, this is OTO number three for $97. And essentially what it takes is 60 seconds, and you'll be able to generate tons of traffic to your Rapid Profix Pro store. Then we have another OTO, Rapid Profix Pro automated passive income. So obviously you will be making money, but not in passive income. If you want to set up passive income streams, this is automated passive income system for $97, another OTO to Rapid Profix Pro, and again, you're going to be getting passive commissions completely hands-free. The fifth OTO, we got Rapid Profix Pro Auto Chat Profit for $97. Essentially, you're going to select a product inside your Rapid Profix Pro software, then use the Auto Chat Profit software, then deploy your chatbot to whatever page you want, then let the chatbot do the rest, and you can make additional sales, additional profits this way. Okay, so Auto Chat Profit $97, OTO number 5, and we have OTO number 6, and the last OTO, Rapid Profix Pro license rights for $197. Essentially, an affiliate promoting this will be getting 50% commissions. If you want 100% commissions on the main product and all the products in the funnel, that's $197, and you can start selling this course as your own and keep all of the profits, 100% profits. Okay, so these are the OTOs. As I showed you, the main product will be $22 with the early bird discount, so make sure to show up early on October 4th at 9 a.m. Eastern. And right now, let me show you all of my bonuses, because this is where it gets exciting now. That's a total bonus package worth $3,225 that you're gonna get for free, just as a thank you for picking up Rapid Profix Pro through my link. And the first bonus is custom made, especially for this promotion. You cannot buy it anywhere, even if you wanted to. And these are free, done for you courses, released as myself, and all three got the W's of the Day award on Warrior Plus, and I'm giving you full PLR rights to it, which means that you can do anything you want with them. Okay, you can rebrand them, you can put your name on them, you can sell them, you can give them away, you can bundle them together with anything else. Totally up to you. I'm giving you full PLR to all free, and keep in mind, these are not PLR products that you can just go to some PLR site and download a bunch. These are actual courses made by myself, and you're getting full PLR rights to it. Okay, so free done for you courses, and on top of that, I'm going to give you 49 done for you email promos. So 49, these are essentially 7 different campaigns. You get 7 emails in each campaign, and these are in 7 different niches for 7 different products. So a total of 49 done for you products, done for you emails, excuse me. And I'm actually selling this as an OTO sometimes to my own products, but you're getting all of this for free. Again, a massive time saver. These emails are proven to convert, and you can make a ton of money in a very passive way if you just set up an autoresponder with all of these emails inside. Now I'm going to give you Fiverr Income Secrets and Fiverr Masterclass 2 W's of the Day courses from myself. Everything about selling on Fiverr, so you can actually use Rapid Profix Pro to sell a gig on Fiverr and make anywhere from $25 to $100 per gig, and this is exactly how you're going to do it. So all of the secrets when it comes to selling on Fiverr are inside these free courses, because you're actually getting Riser too, which is another Fiverr course of mine. You're also getting 3-step profit machines, Quantum Profits, Piggyback Cash System, Fusion, Newbie Traffic Formula. These are all W's of the Day awarded courses. You are also getting 12 money making plugins. So all of these, again, everything is for free, and these will just help you to run your site. So drag and drop page builder plugin, monthly salary generator plugin, case study, 700k free monthly visitors, auto blogger plugin, auto tube channel, auto social traffic, early bird viral traffic, viral list builder, animate anything plugin, course builder plugin, any form builder plugin, and WP Media 2S free plugin. And I'm not done, because I'm going to give you 9 additional pieces of software and plugins. Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode CTA. And I'm not done, because on top of all of this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. Now, if you want to check out exactly what it is, just go to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus, and this makes it a total of $3,225. So if you'll decide to pick up Rapid Profix Pro through my link, you're getting all of these bonuses for free. And again, the done for you courses are especially custom made for this promotion. You can't buy it even if you wanted to. This is just massive value that I'm giving away basically for free, again, just as a thank you if you'll decide to pick up Rapid Profix Pro through my link. So guys, I showed you the alternatives. You got Podia for $39 or $79 per month. With Rapid Profix Pro, essentially you're getting everything that I just showed you for just $22. I can't really find it right now. Where was the price? $22, as you can see, the Pro license with 20 done for you courses. Even if you're just going to use the 20 done for you courses and nothing else, this is still worth the price, you know, a little bit over $1 per done for you course. So you know, you can sell these courses, again, give them away, do whatever you want with them. As you can see, you know, the members area looks amazing. You're getting the video training, you're getting the done for you stuff, you're getting my bonus on top of all of this. So make sure to pick it up as soon as it goes live, again on October 4th at 9 AM Eastern. Grab it from my link to get all of the bonuses. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment right here on my blog or on my YouTube channel. Again, I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. Please give it a like on YouTube. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next video. Ciao.